Hello, today we are introducing a new floor plan style, Neutral. This style is designed to highlight the potential of your apartment, emphasizing its spaciousness and creating a versatile background for various preferences. By using white shades and neutral furniture, our aim is to provide a bright and fresh atmosphere without distracting attention from the architectural features of the space. Simplicity and minimalism in decor are intended to allow potential buyers or tenants to fully assess the space and recognize its potential for personalization. White walls and light floors visually expand the space, especially crucial when examining the apartment layout. Floor plans in this new style are now available on our website. Try this style for property sales. Make your first order with a 35% discount. Use the promo code GETSTART. Create a harmonious and versatile backdrop to showcase your property with Get Floor Plan. And don't forget to leave your reactions in the comments section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting updates and innovative design ideas. Thank you for choosing Get Floor Plan, your path to the perfect home.